Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Beatrice. This evening, I'm making this video to talk to parents about some of the benefit from reading to their children from home. There are a lot of great benefit to read to your child at home. Before I continue to talk about some of the benefit, I would like to ask this question. As a parent, when was the last time you took some time out of your busy schedule and just sit down to read a storybook to your child or to your children, or tell them a story? All right. Whatever the answer is, if already you are doing so, then that is great. Continue to do it. But to those that are not doing it, I will urge them to do so, because the benefits are so awesome, so great, and we don't want any child to miss out. Before I continue, I read something that Dr. Seuss said, and I quote, "The more you read, the more things you know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go," by Dr. Seuss. For this being said, it's already said it all. When you learn, you will know. When you read, you will know, and you get knowledge. So, parent, we have to read to our children, to our young ones. Grandparent, you have to read to your grandchildren and put some knowledge in them. Okay, these are some of the benefits. Some of the benefit that they will get when you read to them is language skills and reading skills. Children get these skills from you reading to them frequently at home. Okay. Another benefit is they get vocabularies. It's like you are building a word bank for your child when you are putting that vocabulary in them. In future, they will just tend to those words and use them, and they don't find it difficult to express themselves because they already have the words. And who did it? It's you, the parent. It's not always the teachers, the parent. They started it at home, so you build the foundation. Another benefit is children get to sit down patiently, so they gain how to wait for their turn, or how to be patient, because as you are reading, they sit and they are paying attention to you to finish reading, and then they learn how to turn the page. When you are done reading, they turn the page quickly and wait on you to read. So it's a great benefit. Another benefit is study shows that children who were read to become more successful in all the subjects. They don't find it difficult. All the subjects comes to them easily because they already have a good foundation built by the parent from home. So this is what parents are supposed to be doing. Just read to your child or to your children. Another benefit is they build self-esteem, which is confidence in their own self. they don't get afraid of anything. They trust themselves. They respect themselves, because they know what is coming next is known to them, from flipping that page. Another thing they develop is empathy. Empathy is to understand how somebody is feeling, to have a, a kind heart. They tend to get that when they are being read to at their tender age. Another study shows that children that were read to when they were young, from infancy through preschool age, do not get to trouble when they go to school, because they already learn a lot from home, like sitting quietly, and they have a listening skill. They know that they have to listen to the teacher, and they don't easily get into problem. Another benefit that children get when they are being read to when they were young is they gain self-control. They know how to control themselves, and learn how to wait patiently and take their turn. Another benefit, finally, is when parents that are busy, too busy or not too busy, read to their children or read together, they build a tremendous relationship together. The child tends to trust the parent, knowing that the parent will do something to make me happy. So even when the child is angry or not happy, they can just go and grab a book and bring it to their parent or whoever is taking care of them to read to them. Another great benefit is when children are being read to in their early age. When they grow, they don't get bored easily, because when they are bored, they just know that let me go and read. And they will go and take their books and read instead of taking the remote or going on internet to do something else. They become great readers. According to research, they become great readers. So for these reasons, I will strongly urge all parents to take their time and learn and try to read to their children at home. The best time to start doing this is from infancy. So please read to your children. Thank you so much. I hope this video will help you to understand some of the benefits of reading at home to your loved young ones. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye.